All right, a quick update on WEN here. So it looks like this level at 3010 is support and it is holding. I drew a green line on the chart here. We got a bounce off of it from the last update, which that was not on the chart on the last update. You can see we dipped below the 618, but ultimately that level here, which if you look back in the past, candle sitting on it here, fell below it, blew through it, and then once again we held it here, and we seem to be repeating history once again here off of that 1-0 level. So if we get a bounce here and we hold, which this 3-day candle has 2 days and 6 hours left on it, if you stay over the 3010 level, you need to get back over the 618, of course, at 108. That's about an 11% move, and you may bounce right back up once again to the point 0.5 at 30147 here and move up about 48% and just kind of repeat history here for potentially a double bottom here. Which I say double bottom, but also notice this wick did break this wick low, so that's not a very good double bottom in my opinion. And one other thing I want to show you guys before we get into how high this thing is going to go on this log scale chart, of course, if we simply take this off of log scale because it is a new token and we go from the low to the high here, you can see the price came all the way down to the 786, bounced, got stuck perfectly at the 618 on these two candles, all the way down to that level once again where I already showed you these candles are sitting. So there is a support and resistance level here, and we bounced up perfectly and got stuck at that 786 at 147, and now we're back at that level. So you could say until you get over 147 by switching this back on to log. I wish it wouldn't do that, but it is what it is. So 147 here would be that 0.5, as you can see. So the 0.5 is a price to get back over. If not, you could have a lot more downside, especially if you're going off the non-log scale chart here, which I just pointed out. And any lower than 3010, then that could tell you you're coming back down to the low here at 4040 below 10. Hopefully this makes sense. And you could end up dropping here a 60% drop all the way back down to the bottom here, as long as you're below this 147 level, which I already pointed out is the 786, and on log scale it is the 0.5. So that is a big price in my opinion to watch. 147 and then 10 down here. Those are your two main prices to watch right now, and it's going to tell us where this thing is going to end up going. Now, going from today, sticking to the log scale chart, of course, that we like to use on the channel here. How high can we go? The $1.5 billion market cap here is the 3618 retracement from the high back there to the low. That's going to give you almost a 24x up to a $1.5 billion market cap on WEN up to 0024. So comment down below, how high of a market cap do you think this thing can hit this cycle in 2025, of course. And if you're very bullish on the project, you think you can hit a $7.2 billion market cap, which is the top of the Fibonacci at the 4236. That's going to give you over a 110x up to that market cap and take you up to pretty much a penny on WEN here. So if you're thinking WEN can go to a penny, that's the market cap you're looking at. And from today, you're looking at over that 110x on your investment here. But that is a little high, I would say, in my opinion. So what are your thoughts? Comment down below. None of this is financial advice, and I will see you in the next one. Peace out.